and welcome, Denise Moore, Rovithis Realty. Welcome to my new listing. We're here today at 21 Robin Street in East Longmeadow. Let's go in and check this place out. The kitchen offers cherry cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and Corian countertops. It has a large kitchen island, great for entertaining your family. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and plenty of storage throughout. Next, join me downstairs in the in-law style setup. Welcome downstairs to the in-law suite. Hope you enjoyed your personal tour today. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing, feel free to call the number below. Here at Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.